You can definitely get to know more about the business, how it started, who invented the recipe, and everything else. So we have Attorney Kaloy, the owner of Don Benito. So good morning, Attorney Kaloy.
Good morning.
Yes, kailangan mo deleted.
Good morning.
We've been having so much fun talking to Attorney Kaloy here. And who would have known that an attorney actually came up with the improved version or recipes of the cassava cakes available today. So for people who are not so familiar with Don Benito's yet, so please let us know what products you offer and what flavors there are now.
Our company, Don Benito's Cassava Cake, offers three kinds of cassava. The basic cassava is cassava with cheese, and then we formulated two other flavors, the cassava langka and the cassava makapuno. As of the moment, we are the only ones. We are not the only ones, but we initiated the flavor revolution when it comes to cassava. We were the first one to launch a flavored cassava cake.
Oh, very nice.
Yes.
And how long has Don Benito's been in operation?
We started sometime in 2008 when I was about to enter the government service, and my mom told me that you cannot get or be included in any anomalies in government. So my parents gave me capital to put up a store. My first store is located in Marilao.
Okay.
So after establishing my first store, me and my wife, hello ma.
Sabay bati.
Syempre naman. So we have a very good teamwork. So as of the moment, we have 20 branches.
Wow.
Located in Bulacan, Manila, and the southern part of Manila, Parañaque, and Alabang.
Yeah, along the Service Road area.
Yes.
Too.
Yes.
So what made you decide to have a cassava cake business? If what do you call it? There are so many businesses that you could get involved in as of now. So what made you decide to choose that one?
Well, first of all, my dad already has a cassava cake business.
Okay.
So we improved the recipe, and then we established my store. So after that, I realized that the cassava, we call that the lowly cassava. In the market, we call that kamote.
The kamote.
Yes, if you're studying, when I was studying law, we were told by our teachers that you go home and plant kamote. That's why I cook them and make money out of them. So that's nice. So I learned from my teacher. But kidding aside, the cassava fruit is like a Filipino person. You can plant them anywhere, and it will grow. So it is not a high maintenance plant. So all you have to do is put it in the land, and then it will grow.
That's true. It's not, what do you call that? Hindi na siya pumipili ng panahon.
Yes.
That's the great thing about kamote.
Yes, it's like a Filipino. You can put a Filipino everywhere except in the Philippines. When the Filipinos are abroad, they are very good.
That's true.
Yes, but when they are in the Philippines, they don't follow even the segregation rules when it comes to the garbage.
Yeah.
They don't even follow the pedestrian lane. They don't even know the meaning of petsing.
Ayun. Petsing.
Yeah. Kala nila Chinese shiro.
I know. Oh my gosh, we're having so much fun here. And also getting to know more about Don Benito's cassava. So if you have any questions, you could also text us. Again, it's Melon for 7 space, your name, your question, and send it over to 2948. So later we'll get to know about the humble beginnings of Don Benito's cassava and also the tips to our Filipino entrepreneurs that'd like to come up with a business that's similar to this, or maybe you have your own family recipe. So you could ask Attorney Kaloy all of your questions, also via MillenFR7.fm on Facebook or Office Radio 947. So more of Attorney Kaloy and Don Benito's when we come back. But for the meantime, we got something from the script just right after the short break. This is Mellow 94.7. Sounds good.
Hey everybody, here's your chance to win a 1,000 peso gift check from Angel's Pizza Pasta Combo. Tune in to Mellow 94.7 and wait for your cue to call 6319470. The right number caller wins a 1,000 peso Angel's Pizza Pasta Combo gift check. Make sure you listen up every day for your chance to win that 1,000 GC on the Angel's Pizza Pasta Combo Daily Giveaway. Brought to you by Angel's Pizza Pasta Combo. A taste of heaven at your doorstep. At Mellow 94.7. Sounds good. Try our hottest double deal all-day promo. Available in big family and family-sized pizza. Call 922-2222 and experience our scrumptious pizza and our very own combo meals that will gratify your experience. Angel's Pizza Pasta Combo is now open for franchising. For inquiries, please call 725-4641. Visit our website, angelspizza.com.ph. Angel's Pizza Pasta Combo, a taste of heaven at your doorstep.
Derek, forget it. I don't like you that much. You dance like a monkey, and I don't think that's hot. I think my brother deserves a new girl. Be Derek's new Anna. Post your video for my brother on Derek'sNewAnna.com from August 15 to September 15 and get a chance to be part of the next PLDT MyDSL TV commercial.
PLDT MyDSL. The strongest connections are at home. High-speed plans now made even faster, up to 10 Mbps. Plans run at the minimum speed of 150 kbps with 80% reliability. Per DTI NCR permit number 7014 series of 2012. Apply for a PLDT MyDSL plan now and get premium unlimited Wi-Fi for free until September 30, 2012 with PLDT Wi-Fi Zone. Per DTI NCR permit number 4772 series of 2012.
Beaver 4 Entertainment, Yes Kids, and Fox International Channels present Disney Live, Mickey's Rockin' Roadshow, jam-packed with music and exciting adventures. Come dance and play with Cinderella, Buzz Lightyear, Tigger, and more from December 5 to 15 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Buy your tickets now. Ticketnet.com.ca. Disney Live is also brought to you by ABS-CBS, Citibank, Araneta Center, Gateway Cineplex 10, Ali Mall Cineplex 4, Holiday Inn Manila Galleria, Business World, Junior Inquiry, Inquirer.net, Philippine Song, and Mellow 94.7.
Bringing you nothing but ergonomic music. It's Office Radio on Mellow 94.7. Sounds